morning, students. Welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have demonstrated the chapter lesson 13 adverbs. Today I am going to demonstrate the exercises of this chapter, so it will be make you more clear that what are adverbs. And children, listen it carefully that you have to read the chapter properly. Go through the chapter, learn the definition, read the examples, so it will make it more clear to you that how can you identify the adverbs. So to make it more clear, I can give you the exercises today. I can explain the exercises and I can give you to do in the classwork. Okay. So what you all have to do, you all have to write down first you understand the exercise and then you write down in your fair copy. Okay students, there are two exercises in this chapter. Lesson 13 adverbs, you have to complete it properly in your fair copy of English language. Let's begin with the exercise now. Okay students. Students, as you all know that previous classes I have completed this chapter lesson 13's demonstration. This is your chapter lesson number 13. Today I am going to give you the explanation of exercises beta. So come to the exercise. This is your exercises. So what you all have to do, you all have mentioned today's date, that is 26/10/20, lesson 13 adverbs, exercise A at the right side classwork, and write down the heading, fill in the blanks. In this you have to fill correct adverbs. He accepted my invitation. What you can write? Adverb, it is happily. Here accepted is the verb. Next, they arrived. Arrived is the verb and late is the adverb because it is adding more information in verb. So it is adverb. Okay. Come to the next. She went out of the room angrily. What you can fill? You can fill angrily word in this. Fill up the blanks. Come to the next. The tortoise ran dash and dash. You all know the story of tortoise, that slow but steady wins the race. So the tortoise ran slowly but steadily. Okay. So you can complete it like this. These two are adverbs, slowly and steadily. Come to the next. Horse runs dash when last. Horse runs fast. So runs is verb here and fast is adverb here. Come to the next. I came dash in the celebration. So I came forward in the celebration. Next is come. Come here. Here is adverb here. Come here and narrate your lesson. You can complete exercise A like this as I have completed. Then come to the next. It is exercise B. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Gopi went from here yesterday. So went is verb here and here word is adding more information, so it is adverb here. So you have to underline the adverb. Gopi went from here yesterday. Here is the adverb, so you can underline it. Come to the next. I will take the exam tomorrow. So I will take is verb here. The exam tomorrow. It is indicating the day and time, so it is adverb here. Come to the next. They have performed nicely in the show. So nicely word is adverb here. And performed is verb. It is adding more into verb. So it is adverb nicely. Come to the next. We have to play our match there. So play is the verb here and there. Again it is indicating the place. So there is adverb here. Come to the next. I shall learn both the lessons now. Now is again indicating the time. So it is adverb here. And more information to the verb. Come to the next. We frequently go for swimming. Here frequently is showing the frequency. So it is adverb here. Next, sing loudly so that everyone can listen. So sing loudly. Sing is verb and loudly is adding more information. So it is loudly is adverb here. Next is I have met him twice at the club. So I have met him twice. Twice is adverb here. Okay. It is showing that a work takes how many times to complete. So twice is here adverb. So what you all have to do? You all have to complete these exercises in your fair copy and write into neat and clean handwriting. And please use blue and black pen. So the writing should be look nice in clear handwriting, and spelling should be correct. You have to see this also, that no spelling mistakes will be there, and check that you have completed it properly or not. All the fill-ups are in the correct blanks, and in this you have to underline the exercises. Exercise B. Hope you all understood the exercises, both of them. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or in the personal. And please students, learn this exercises also. This is your homework. Learn the definition of adverbs also, and complete your English language copy properly. And you all have understood the definition of adverbs also. So learn the chapter, and if you feel any problem, you can ask it to me. Okay beta, thank you.